I hit those, kid. But I can't really remember this. This is a lot more comfortable. Select another edited film. I just need to show you this. This was evil. I edited it so it looks pretty weird, but still, it's an evil shot. There you go. Just look at through the smoke. You heard that? That was me hitting him through the smoke. I edited it to look like that. Yeah, it was a nasty
Good
shot.
job. Get ready for the next round.
Hope you guys enjoyed.
Search and destroy. We got the bomb.
Oh yeah, and at 25 subscribers, I'll do a face reveal. And see ya.